First, let us look at or define what is autism. Autism, or autism spectrum disorder, also known as ASD, refers to a broad range of conditions characterized by challenges with social skills, repetitive behaviors, speech, and nonverbal communications. 1 in 59 children is affected by autism according to Center and Disease Control. It is likely to affect boys 4.5 more than girls, and it affects all racial, ethnic, and social groups. According to various research studies, there is no specific cause to autism. However, there may be some contributing factors such as genetics, environmental factors, and children born to older parents. Some of the long-term effects of autism would be lack of empathy, difficulty showing affection, difficulty sustaining relationships, and sleep problems. Autism behaviors may include restrictive or repetitive behaviors such as getting upset and changes in routine, being more or less sensitive to light, noise, clothing, or temperature, moving constantly, obsessive attachment to objects, and preoccupation with a narrow interest. Let us take a quick quiz to see what is true or false about autism. First question, true or false? Autism is mostly always genetic. The answer is false. The National Institute of Health states, there is a genetic component that predisposes people to develop autism, but there is an environmental factor as well. Next question, autism includes a broad spectrum of symptoms and disorders. True or false? The answer is true. The term autism is used to describe a group of complex developmental brain disorders known as pervasive developmental disorders, PDD. These disorders include Asperger's syndrome, Rett syndrome, and childhood disintegrative disorder. Many parents and professionals refer to this group as autism spectrum disorders. Next question, symptoms of autism are usually the same in every child. True or false? The answer is false. Symptoms of autism vary from child to child. Some symptoms may show in one child but not in another child. Next question, true or false, girls are more likely to develop autism. The answer is false. Boys are diagnosed with autism 4 times more often than girls. 1 in 58 children in the U.S. is diagnosed with ASD, and this spans all racial, regions, and socioeconomic backgrounds. And last question, autism is a neuropsychiatric disorder. True or false? The answer is true. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD, often referred to as simply autism, is a developmental disability that impacts how people communicate verbally and nonverbally, and how they interact, behave, and learn. It is easy to get overwhelmed with all of the information that comes with autism. But, it is important to be a strong advocate for your loved one as well. Here are some strategies in assisting with someone with autism. First, get your loved one started with treatment. Second, ask for help. Next, talk to someone and take breaks. Last, look into joining a support group. These are useful tips that could be beneficial to your loved one but helpful to you as well. In the next video, we will explore helping your loved one in a school setting. See you in the next video.